There are different causes for acne, and what triggers it depends mostly on the person. For some people, clogged pores can lead to breakouts. Excessive stress can also lead to acne. Exposure to dirt and pollution leads to acne too. A breakout is on the way if your skin produces too much oil. Bacteria buildup can lead to acne. So does a sudden hormonal imbalance. Vicks VapoRub is an effective solution and, moreover, an effective treatment to get rid of acne problems. It heals the pimples and face wrinkles and provides relaxation if it is regularly applied for 1 week. In many cases, Vicks VapoRub has worked like a miracle. Just apply it on acne before going to bed, and when you wake up, acne is gone. Vicks VapoRub works equally well on all types of acne. Even if you have painful cystic acne, you can use this remedy. Vicks VapoRub is good for red spots and blemishes too. To apply Vicks VapoRub on acne, all you need is Vicks VapoRub and cotton balls. Dip the cotton into the jar and scoop out a tiny amount that is just enough to cover the affected skin area. Smear the ointment over the area. Use it as you would a topical acne medication. Now that you know how to use Vicks VapoRub on your acne, let's look at the ingredients which make up Vicks VapoRub and try to decipher why and how it can be effective in treating acne and getting rid of them. Here are the top 8 ingredients used in Vicks VapoRub. Number 1. Camphor. Camphor is a white-colored substance which looks and feels like wax, but it's not. It has a very specific and recognizable smell. It is known to help with coughing by soothing it, and that's why it's used in this. Moreover, it has been known to help with some skin issues and also fight against infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties enable it to be effective in calming down acne and subsequently getting rid of them. However, it is not to be ingested or applied on broken skin, so be aware and careful of that. Number 2. Menthol. Menthol is another cooling and anti-inflammatory agent, and it also provides the VapoRub with its distinctive and pungent smell. The cooling and anti-inflammatory effects of menthol help calm down the irritated skin due to the acne, and that is how it can help with pimples. Furthermore, menthol enhances the skin's ability to absorb nutrients, and so it helps a bit that way too. Number 3. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has potent antibacterial properties, hence it can eliminate any bacteria and other harmful microbes which may result in outbreaks on your skin. Do not use it by itself though, as it can be quite harsh on the skin and lead to irritation and even burning sensations. So just use it in the Vicks VapoRub as it is diluted. Number 4. Cedar leaf oil. This is a great and healthy essential oil which can help with a number of skin issues including acne. It can help regulate the skin oils or sebum very effectively. Thus, it balances the oiliness of the skin, excessiveness of which is known to lead to acne and breakouts. Number 5. Nutmeg oil. This is another essential oil which works wonders on the skin. It is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent which helps keep the skin clean and clear. It also helps to heal scars and blemishes by promoting the skin's regenerative capabilities. Hence, it is quite effective in dealing with acne and the consequences which result from it. Number 6. Petrolatum. Also known as petroleum jelly, this is the substance present in the VapoRub which pulls it all together and binds all the ingredients into a cohesive unit. It is actually a type of paraffin wax. On its own, however, it is not supposed to be an effective remedy for acne, as it can clog up the pores by covering up the skin. It is also not supposed to be introduced to any open wounds and can have detrimental effects on the skin too, like premature aging. Number 7.